Welcome to Northwest University NWU International Students. This video will guide you through the NWU application process. Key information to know before you apply. You can only apply once per academic year and select up to 2 study choices. You need to have a valid, unique and memorable personal email address. Do not use a Yahoo email address as it's sometimes marked as spam. Meeting the minimum requirements does not guarantee admission to NWU. The admission decision is final and no appeals are allowed. Tip number 1. Remember to save your progress at the end of each screen before proceeding. Pay attention to the helpful hints and mandatory fields marked with red stars on each screen. Visit NWU's How to Apply online webpage and click on the Apply Here button. Start by creating your application profile. Register to apply by filling in your personal details on the application portal. Username refers to your email address. Tip number 2. Ensure all your details are correct and how it's shown on your identity document. Your profile is connected to your identity number and username, so ensure that it's accurate. Once you've created your profile, go to your email address to retrieve your username and temporary password. Move back to the application screen and log on and change your password. Tip number 3. Your password needs to be 8 characters with a capital letter, number and a special character. For example, International 1 exclamation mark with a capital I. When you log on to the application portal, you will see the dashboard with instructions and quick links. Pay attention to the instruction to candidates section. Click the purple Apply Now button to proceed to the program details screen. Choose your preferred presentation method, contact or distance learning, qualification type, undergraduate, method of delivery, full-time, and select your preferred campus before making your 2 study choices. Note number 1. Qualifications are linked to the campus where it is offered. Type in keywords of the qualification you are looking for to assist in your search. If you can't find your preferred qualification, visit the NWU's Field of Study webpage to ensure you have the correct details, the campus where it is offered for your chosen qualification. Note number 2. You may select a different campus for each study choice. Save or cancel your application choices at the bottom of the screen before proceeding. On the Personal Details screen, permit NWU access to your information as required by the POPI Act. Complete the personal details exactly like it is on your identity document with your full names and surname. Ensure that your nationality is indicated correctly. Complete the contact information section. Move to the previous education screen and click on the Add button to open the table with the required information. Select your school's name or other if your school's name is not listed. Note number 3. Complete the table with your most recently completed high school information. For example, if you are in grade 12, your previous information refers to your grade 11 information. To quickly select a date, click on the top bar of the calendar. This action will switch the display from showing the month and century to only showing the century. Then you can use the arrows to select the correct year and click on the month to open the dates. On the school subject screen, select your examination board. For example, Cambridge, IEB, IB, or American High School, etc. If the applicable examination board is not listed, only then indicate Other. On the additional information screen, indicate who will be funding your studies and indicate your interest in applying for residence placement by selecting yes or no. You can only confirm your residence options for a specific campus after receiving a conditionally accepted offer. Note number 4. Only full-time students are eligible for residence admission. This does not apply to exchange students under agreements. Upload all mandatory documents as indicated by the red stars on the document upload screen. Mandatory documents such as the national ID document and matric certificate or final school results are indicated by red stars. Additionally, other documents such as a valid passport, any other permit allowing residence in South Africa that is not a study permit or dual nationality, and USAF are also required. To upload a document, mark the document on the Select section and click on Browse to search for the document. When you have found the correct document, click Upload. Ensure all required documents are uploaded to avoid delays in processing your application. Read the declaration screen and sign the agreement by ticking the checkbox. Click on the purple Pay and Submit button to open the payment gateway for the application fee. Note number 5. New international students must apply for admission to the NWU, and the fee, as set out by the Payable Fees webpage, must accompany the application. The amount is non-refundable and will not appear on the student's account. The application fee can be paid online as an essential component of the application process. Finally, review your application to ensure that all information is accurate, and when you're confident it is, submit your application. After submitting your application, the system will return to the dashboard, which gives you an overview of your application progress, including your application number, status, and study choices. You can also download an application summary and re-upload documents in case of errors. Please note that an incomplete or created but unsubmitted application cannot be processed by NWU. Please give the admission office time to effectively process your application before you check your application status.